What's going on, everyone? It's Josh Elbow. In the video today, I'm going to be making this more so specifically for Peter in the mentorship group and Jamal in the mentorship group. How to run Facebook ads for your service-based business. Super easy. Return on ad spend is insane right now because of how inexpensive Facebook ads are, depending on the niche you're in. At least for both of my companies, it's insane. One of them, my cost of customer acquisition is like $49. My average profit on them is like $3.50, and then on my other company, my cost of customer acquisition is $72, and my average profit on those customers is $900, not gross but net. So the money is insane if you know your target market, if you know how to communicate the value you have to offer to the target market, and you know your numbers of how much it costs you, like how much your average profit per customer is. You can literally, and I've said this a million times to a million people, but you can turn Facebook ads or whatever ads into a money machine. You could use YouTube ads, you can use Snapchat ads. I'm moving into YouTube ads now. I'm considering Snapchat and Twitter just probably because how inexpensive they are, supply and demand wise, but this will be your basis on how to run Facebook ads. So if you don't know how to run Facebook ads, you can simply go to Google, search Facebook ads, go down to where it says facebook.com/business, or just type in facebook.com/business. Click this, it'll link to your Facebook account, and you would go to create an ad. Now I'm already logged in on my ads manager, so this is what it looks like on the back end. I'm not going to give you any dates because these are like old dates, but when you log in, you'll get in here, and then we'll go to create ad. The type of ad I recommend you guys using is the reach ads, because dollar wise, you'll get in front of them when you're beginning at least. You'll get in front of the most eyes for the lowest cost per thousand impressions. So the term CPM is cost per thousand impressions. It means how much does it cost you to get in front of 1,000 people. Usually it's anywhere from $1 to $5 to $10, $20. And if you know your market, if you know that every 1,000 people you get in front of, 10 people will reach out and one person will close, what are you willing to pay for that? You might be willing to pay $50 just to get in front of that, depending on how hot the demand is for your product. You might be willing to pay any dollar amounts for that. So brand awareness ads are similar. Traffic ads are pay per click, so you pay per person that clicks to go to your website. Engagement ads are you're paying more for likes, views, shares, stuff like that. App installs is pretty simple, video views. Lead gen and messages are also really sick ads. So lead gen, you pay per lead you get. It's called CPL, cost per lead. And these work really well, honestly, for service-based businesses. I did this for social media marketing. I ran an ad that was like, hey, it's targeted for network marketers who always need more leads to talk to more people. I said, hey, if you're in network marketing, the biggest challenge I had I used to do it too. Biggest challenge I had was not being able to get in front of more people to talk to. If you click this link, I'll show you how I'm getting 100 people DMing me a day. I think it was like 20 to 50 to 100 people. I think my most DMs I've gotten in one day was like 115 direct messages on Instagram. So it's like, if you DM me, if you click this link, it'll swipe up, it'll already fill their information out, so they don't have to type anything in. It's like one click pay on Amazon, so it's nice for that. And then these are usually more expensive, so you might pay $5, $10, $20, $50 per lead. But if you know what a lead's worth to you, you can make it worth it dollar wise. Even if you break my perspective on all this marketing ad stuff, even if you break even in the short term, what's the lifetime value of that customer going to be? Are they going to be back in 3 to 5 years? Are they going to recommend 2 people to you that you basically get for free because it's word of mouth, because you did a good job for them? And you can also run CRM on them if you get their email, phone number, Facebook page, like all that type, if they follow you type stuff, for forever until they unfollow you. And then messages are paying per message. So I want you guys to go to reach ads, they title it, name it, whatever, continue, and we'll choose the page that we want to go to. So let's say I want to do a dip lab, because this will relate to you guys the most. Create an audience here. So you can, from a lookalike audience, you can go with people that have engaged with the post, engage with my Josh Elbow account, engage with my page. Lookalike audiences, you upload an email list in here. If you wanted to create one, create new, custom audience is people. You upload the email list to Facebook. Facebook has all the data on that. But for simplicity, we'll just say, so Peter and Jamal, type in the location you're in, the age that the general target market is. So if it's like 30-plus-year-old women that need cyber help, then click that and just change the ages there. And then location-wise, we'll say Birmingham, Michigan, or whatever the case may be. You can change the distance and how far you feel like traveling if you're mobile, if they want to come to you. Like, you know your target market is, and then you put languages. This is where, in the detailed targeting, this is where it gets more into the specifics of it. So financial, if you want to target people with higher income type stuff, relationship, Peter single moms type stuff, or whatever it is, or older people, work, if they're unemployed, if they're home all the time so they have time to do it, if they're interested in cars and hobbies and activities. And you can search in here too. So let's say I want to target people with BMWs. I can target people that work at BMW. I can target people that have BMW in their job title. I can people who listed BMW in their schools, or I can target people that are interested in BMW. And then connection type, you can also do, if you have the Facebook page, people like your page, friends with people who like your page, or you don't want people that like your page to see it. For placements, you can do either. So automatic placements puts it on Facebook, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, Marketplace, all that different stuff. Edit placements, I like to just run my ads on Instagram because cars are visual, and I don't see much return on Facebook or Audience Networks or Messenger. But it depends on what, like, when you're first starting, I would say do it on automatic placements because you get the lowest CPM, which is what we're going to get into here. And then when we come down here, we're optimizing for reach. Max bid, I usually go, you can leave it empty and not worry about that. But let's say we do a $5 CPM and we're willing to spend $1 a day or $5 a day. Facebook allows you to spend a minimum of $1 a day. This will tell you how many you're expecting to reach daily, I believe. 4 to 12 bid you entered. Isn't expected. But because I don't have anything in the detail targeting, this is just super generic, so that's why I'm not going to do anything. And then, as simple as that, continue. Next one, choose a single video. You can make a video for it. You can use a single video, and we'll use a existing post because it's easiest for me. But if you were to create the ad, you'd choose the image that you wanted in here. It just goes to your library, browse the text that you want to say. So it's Peter, hi, Peter's Tech. If you are having trouble with your computers and you need someone that can come to you and literally do it, I'm your guy. Get a free quote. Boom. If you're Jamal, like, honestly, for Diplab, dude, I just throw photos of cars up and people reach out. It's not good marketing, but it works. So I'm trying to learn more about, like, what I actually need to do for it to hit like crazy. But if your service is in high enough demand and people know about it, they just have come for me, for both, for Summit and for Diplab. Add your URL if you got a landing page that you want to go to. This doesn't really matter. And let's just put the text in and then confirm. When you confirm, it'll link you up. The only other thing I missed in this, because I already have my credit card set up, is you're going to have to set up a credit card for this. But other than that, that's how you run a Facebook ad.